Hey everybody! Have you ever wondered why these muscles, these upper trapezius muscles, are so stinking tight all the time and your neck is stiff? It's probably because we spend most of our lives like this. Slumped forward, driving, cell phone, curled up on the sofa, we tuck under. And what begins to happen is our upper trapezius get really tight and sometimes overdeveloped. And we really want to build in some of this subscapular strength. So thinking about the mid back and the lower and middle trapezius muscles and letting these upper traps calm the F down. And believe it or not, that really helps the pelvic floor function more fully, because when these upper traps are working, they start to get involved in the breath. And when we're inhaling and we're going like this, and then we're exhaling, we're going like that, we're only making these suckers tighter in this direction, when really we want them to be more open in this direction by building that strength and mobility. And so when the breath gets stuck up like this, it gets really shallow, and we have a tendency to let all sorts of pressure build downward into our deep core. And we really want to build a balanced breath pattern, but part of that process is learning how to build strength and stability through